back to the channel. We're here at the drag strip and doing a little something different this time. We're doing a few little tests. I'm still on the larger pulley, so low boost. Right now I'm currently on 93 octane. We're gonna do a couple tests, 93 versus an E50 mix. So I'll make like 2 to 3 passes on 93. Then I'll add some E50 in and we'll change the tune. And we'll make about 2 to 3 passes on the E50 just to see what the true difference is real world. Go from there. We beat the race car Civic. I mean, it's just testing too. I didn't even have anything prearranged to run them, but you still like to cross that finish line first. Thank you. Not bad. 11.5 at 119. Again, it's 93 octane. Not bad. Give it one more and then we'll switch over to some E8. We'll add some E to get the mix down to a E50. Okay, going up for another pass. Well, that was a pretty nice pass. Got up off the Hellcat. Not bad. So we'll switch our fuel over to E50 and see what she can do in the second part of this this test tonight. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Another 1150 at 120. I think that's probably about where she's at today on 93. On a cooler day, don't get me wrong, she's run 11.1 on 93. She'll run between 11.1 and 11.3 on a cooler day on 93 with everything else being all the same. I honestly think she has a chance. We'll find out in the fall on cracking 10s on 93.
Help you and check out the car, make sure everything's clean and dry, and if you can drive it off, we'll let you do that. If you need a tow back to your pit area, we can give you one. We just need drivers to help us out and pull over. That way, if you are doing something that would require a cleanup, we can try and keep cleanup areas to a minimum, and that'll keep cleanup times to a minimum. All right, guys, so again, just do your best out there, please. There's no shame in pulling over. If something's not right out there, pull over to the side wall as safely as possible.
Okay, we've made the switch to E85. So, let's see how we do on E85 today.
Just like a normal Mustang, is up to 800 horsepower.
So, this one's going to be a hot lap. Basically, going to be coming right back around and getting one or two more if we can before the end of the night. Put a little E in, put the tune on. Let's see the difference. We were running consistent 11.5s on 93 today. Thank you. Alright, we dropped down to an 11.2 at 125. Okay, going up for what looks like to be the final pass. Closing a little early tonight. So. Well, we'll see what you did. I think it would have been a pretty nice race with that Civic if they didn't leave that early. Ooh, when them wheels look like it's wobbling.
Sorry.
Thank you.
What are you talking about?
1120, 124. So we knocked off 3 tenths just going from 93 to E today.
We got a Illinois track hog right here. It's called Illinois. It's not a stock truck.
Well, in closing, I guess you can kind of see 93 to E85, well, 93 to E50. Pretty much going to be the same for E85, but it is about 3 to 4 tenths gain with all else being the same between an ethanol tune versus a 93 tune. So you figure on our best same day conversion, it was what, 11.3 down to 10.8, so that was half a second. On the other day, it was what, about 3 or 4 tenths, I believe. So pretty solid for just a gasoline and a tune change. But we'll continue to get you guys data of some of the smaller things that make things work.
Car versus truck. And must I say, I watch his channel all the time when he doing his thing. So, my man, being that you got the S on his chest, I'm parting the left hand, but I'm gonna have to take it away from you. Because even though we right here with it all day, both of us, but best man win.
Fair enough. Fair enough.